Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Finally, I received this parcel from the Singapore Mint. Actually, this is the Trump and Kim Summit, the special edition coin that I have booked online or ordered online. Finally, it has arrived. So I have not opened up yet. You see, it's still fresh. I have not opened up yet, and I'm going to open it now and to let everybody see what's inside. So without further ado, let me do the unboxing. Here it is. What does it say? It says 50 years, the Singapore Mint. So let me take it out. And the first look. Can you see? Okay, let me take it out. So this is the one. I chose the one with the color because I think that it is nice. So I forgotten how much it costs, but it's something memorable. So it's very nice in my opinion. So you can see that there's a date over here to say that it's on the 12th of June 2018. And what else is beneath? There's nothing else beneath it, so it's just a simple coin. It's a simple coin. And behind it is World Peace. I think it's very nice. What do you think? So over here you can see that it has this USA DPRK, that means the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, that means it's the North Korea. And this is the official number and specification. Can you see it? The number and the specification. Let me do some adjustment. That's it for the unboxing, nothing much.